morning guys. Today we are going to learn the chapter trigonometry. So trigonometry is a branch of the geometry which deals with the angles and side and ratio of them in a right angle triangle. Okay, now let's start with the trigonometry. So basically what is mean of trigonometry? So trigonometry means this tri means 3. This tri means 3. This gno means sides and this is for measurement. So basically we will study the sides measurement, how the ratio of the sides and how the ratio of the side and the angle is related. Okay, so basically we will find the relation between the sides and angle. Okay, now let's start with this triangle. As we already know, the triangle which has one angle as a 90 degree is called as a right angle triangle. Okay, so in a right angle triangle, how we will identify the hypotenuse? So there is a one easy method. The side which is opposite to the right angle, the side which is opposite to the right angle is called as a hypotenuse. Or second method is that this right angle is made up of these two sides AB and BC. So the third side which is left is called as hypotenuse. So by these two methods you can find hypotenuse in any triangle. Then let's consider this angle as a theta. This symbol is called as a theta. This symbol is called as a theta. Okay. Now, if I want to find as the triangle has a three side, out of which we have already named this as a hypotenuse. So two sides is left. So if I consider this angle, so this side is opposite to this angle. So this side we call as a opposite side. As this angle is made up of these two lines AC and BC. Okay, so now as this already we have named this side as a hypotenuse, so we will name this side as an adjacent side. This is how we decide which is opposite side, which is adjacent, which is hypotenuse. Now let's come to the trigonometric ratio. So basically in a trigonometry there are 6 ratios. So sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, and cos theta, sec theta, cot theta. Or you can remember the initial. Initial is SC, HC, TC, SC. TC, SC, TC. This is the initial you can remember. So there are 6 ratio. Now we will define them. Okay. So what is sin theta? So sin theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So what is opposite side in this triangle? In this triangle, if we consider this as a theta, so opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Now let's come to the cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side? It's BC. What is hypotenuse? It's AC. Now what is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. So opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. Now these 3 ratios are the reciprocal of this ratio. So example, sin theta, the reciprocal of sin theta will be cosec theta. So cosec theta, so example, what will be cosec theta? It will be hypotenuse upon opposite. Reciprocal of this. Okay, so here we can write AC upon AB. What is sec theta? Sec theta is the reciprocal for cos theta. So it will be hypotenuse upon adjacent. So it will be AC upon BC. What is cot theta? Cot theta is reciprocal of the tan theta, that is adjacent upon hypotenuse, which is equal to BC upon AB. Now to remember these 3 formulas, as we already learned the concept, but how to remember this? So there is one trick. So what is trick? Trick is known as a SO का 2. ठीक है, trick name is SO का 2. Okay, SOH, SO का 2. SO का 2. What is mean? S for sine. So sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. SO का 2. Sine opposite hypotenuse. What is cos? C for cos. Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is tan? Tan is opposite upon adjacent. So this is the trick by which you can remember these 3 ratio, and by using these 3 ratio you can find the next 3 ratio. I hope you are clear. Now let's take one example. If opposite side is given as a 3 and this side is given as a 4. Now there is one question. Hypotenuse is not given, but in the previous grade we have already learned the Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem states that the hypotenuse square is equal to first side square plus second side square. So by using this formula, we can find the hypotenuse. Correct? 25. What is the square root of 25? It's 5. So we can find hypotenuse as 5. And now using this, with these three values, we can find the ratio. Example, if I want to find the sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. As we have already found, is AB upon AC. What is the value of AB? It is 3. What is value of AC? It is 5. So value will be 3 by 5. Now, what is cos theta? Is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So BC upon AC. What is value of BC? It's 4. AC is 5. Now, what is value of tan theta? Tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. AB upon BC. AB value is 3. AC value is 4. 3 upon 4. And we can directly reciprocal this. So it will be 5 upon 3. This will be 5 upon 4. And this will be 4 upon 3. By this way, we can define this all the ratio. Let's have a one quick revision. This is a right angle triangle. We name this angle as a theta, and we have the 6 ratio. Initial are SC, TC, SC. Okay. Now sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. All three ratio are the reciprocal of this. And how we remember these formulas? By using this is SOHCAHTOH. SOH, so CAH, that is sin is opposite upon adjacent hypotenuse, cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan is opposite upon adjacent side. So this basically a 6 trigonometric ratio, and by using this we will work on some other numericals in next exercise. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.